Hello applicant, this video will review how to submit our online admissions appeal form. Please make sure to use the link provided in your denial letter or use the link on the admissions appeal webpage. You will need to log into your MyCI. To start the admissions appeal form, click the New Appeal button. In the new page, select the term you are appealing. Your name and MyCI email address will automatically display. Please enter an alternate email, phone number, current school attending, appeal reason, and appeal statement. Once you have entered in your information, click Save and Continue. In the next page, please take a moment to review the types of documentation you may upload with your appeal. Scroll down to the end of the page and click Upload Document. Select the type of documentation being uploaded. Then select the file from your computer. After selecting the file, click Upload on the form. Applicants may upload multiple documents to support their appeal application. If you are requesting official transcripts to be sent to us, please upload the receipt. Once received, we will use it to review your appeal. After you have finished uploading all documentation, click Save and Review. Review all of the information you have entered to make sure you did not miss anything. Once you submit the appeal, you cannot make edits to your appeal. If you are ready to submit the appeal, read the end statement and check the box next to it. Lastly, click Submit. You have now submitted your appeal and will receive an automated email confirming receipt of your appeal. Please note, processing time may take up to 4 weeks. If you have any questions or need assistance, please reach out to us by phone at 805-437-8520 or by text at 805-819-5714 or email at admissions@csuci.edu.